Hello, everyone. I'm Hayden Singleton, Project Coordinator B for the Georgia Coalition of Black Chambers, and today we're going to be talking about Cal.com. So, Cal.com is a website that can help people schedule their meetings absolutely free. So, this is a great resource that I believe can help out some of our chambers of commerce or some small businesses that are looking to schedule meetings with their clients, with new members, and can really take their company or their future endeavors to the next level absolutely free. There are similar websites and they do have pricing options, but we're just going to be talking about the free option. So let's get into it. As you can see here, it says create your cal.com account, free for individuals, team plans for collaborative features. They have you choose the date or data region. You can sign in with Google. And they have some steps down here so you can connect. Here we go. You can connect all your calendars. You can set your availability. And you can share a link or an embedded code, which I think will be very helpful whether you're trying to add your cal.com link to maybe your website, to your social media accounts, or if you want to specifically send it to a client or add it to your email. I believe cal.com can help you with that endeavor, which is really, really cool. So once again, on the select plan tab, which is the next tab that I went to, it'll remind you once again, for personal use, it's 100% free. And if you have a team that you want to utilize, it'll be $15 a month per user. So I think that's a pretty good deal. So on this next tab, they want me to add a profile picture. I'm just going to leave that as it is right now. They are asking me my name. What do I want my username to be? And it's asking me to add a bio. And they have a couple of options here below. I know it's not as highlighted, but if you want to have a demo call option, they got a 15-minute session right there, a quick meeting right there, longer meeting, 30 minutes, in-person meeting, 120 minutes, ask a question, and these can be customized based on what you need. So I think that that's pretty cool. Right here in this section of their website. On this next page, they give you the option to connect some of your other calendars. So I use Apple products, so they have an option here for an Apple calendar if I want to connect it there. They have some other options, ICS feed, Zoho calendar, CallDAV, and some of these other ones are extremely useful if you use whether it's Google Drive or Google Calendar for this option, for my Google fans out there. And then they have Outlook calendar if you're a Microsoft person and you use Outlook or some of the other, Microsoft suite stuff like Word and Excel. So these can be great, once again, for your business if you want to make it a seamless type of integration. So here on this next tab, where it says welcome to cal.com, it says basically I already got all the way through it. So it says I'm all set. Unlimited calendars, unlimited event types, workflows, integration with your favorite apps, accept payments via Stripe, which is awesome for business owners, HTML and React embedded. That's, again, if you're making your own website, you can literally just add cal.com to it. Cal.ai phone agent, which is for my AI people out there, and Cal Video if you want a video chat. So this is some really cool stuff, and it'll be cool to see what our business owners and chambers of commerce can accomplish by utilizing cal.com, which is an open source website, open source program. So there's people who are constantly working on this, and they wanted to make sure that there was a level of availability for people who are on the internet, for business owners, for people who just want to make sure that they can set up their meetings appropriately. So once again, I'm going to check out some of these other tabs on here. Underneath my name, you have the tab that says event types, bookings, availability, team, apps, routing, workflows, insights, which I believe can be very useful. And down here at the bottom, you have view public page, copy public page link, refer and earn, settings. And they have a comment area down here for commonly asked questions. How can they help? So the next step we're going to do is we're just going to dive into one of these meetings. So I'm going to look in the 30-minute meeting section. And I'm going to go to edit. And right here you can see some really cool options. So basics, 30 minutes, we can look at that. So 30-minute meeting is the title. We can change that to, let's say, 45-minute meeting. Description, meeting with Georgia Coalition of Black Chambers. We already have the URL here. Let's see if we could change that to 45. Duration, 45 minutes. They have a cow video default. Link meeting, attendee phone number, organizer phone number. I'm going to put attendee phone number there. And if I hit save, it's updated. And some of the other stuff you can see on the side here. Availability. You can create an available schedule that can work for you. You can put some limits onto it before event, after event. They have an advanced option if you want to do anything with that. If you want to make it a recurring meeting, you can click down here. It says it's experimental. Apps, workflow, webhook. I just want to give you the basics though, so that we can check that out. But this should be able to take your organization to another level, and I'm happy that I could work with you on this. This is Hayden Singleton, and I'm signing out. Thank you, and I'm glad we can talk through another amazing resource that you can use for either your Chamber of Commerce or for your business. Thank you. Have an amazing day.